If you want to remove objects from photos on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open the Photos app. Now we can open the photo that we wish to edit and press Edit at the bottom. Now over here we can go to Tools, and here we have the magic eraser. So first we will get some suggestions by the phone, but after that you should be able to, for example, tap on this X in order to cancel all those suggestions, and we can circle or brush to erase. So let's say I want to remove this USB stick. Let's draw the circle around it. It should be highlighted and pretty much immediately gone. You can also draw the circle around it again if it doesn't look too well, in order to try to fix the imperfections. And then we can press done once you are done with editing the photo, and we can press save copy in the bottom right corner. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!